Do you know that a UK used phone can look almost like brand new, yet has a replaced screen, battery, camera without you knowing? What if I told you that there's an hidden setting inside every modern iPhone that can reveal those replacements? Shockingly, many buyers never check this before spending hundreds of thousands of naira on a UK used phone. And that's just one of the costly mistakes I will show you in this video, and many more. So before you buy any UK used phone, watch this video first. It will save you a lot of money and help you avoid expensive mistakes. Now, let's get started. Now, mistake number 1 is not checking the part and service history before buying. This is probably the most overlooked mistake people make when buying a UK used phone. Many buyers carefully inspect the phone's condition, but completely forget what to check inside. The part and service history can tell you whether the display, battery, or camera has been replaced. On supported iPhone models, it can also show whether those replacement parts are recognized by Apple. Imagine paying a premium price for a phone, only to discover later that the important part has been replaced. And the good news is, checking this takes less than a minute. So open your setting, then General, tap About and look for part and service history. If you see replacement information, then ask the seller to explain before you pay. That simple check could save you from buying a phone that isn't as original as it looks. If you're finding this video helpful, subscribe now so you don't miss the next mistake, because they surprise many buyers. Now let's move on. Mistake number 2 is ignoring True Tone before buying a UK used phone. Most buyers don't even know what a True Tone is, and that's why many sellers doesn't even mention it. True Tone automatically adjusts your display to match your surrounding. This makes the screen look more natural and comfortable to use. But here's what many people don't know. If the screen has been replaced before, True Tone may disappear. The phone can still look perfectly fine and work normally. So many buyers never realize anything is wrong before buying. So before you buy a UK used iPhone, open your settings, then go to display and brightness. If you're in there, check whether True Tone is still available there. But if it's missing on the model it should have, then ask the seller why before handing your money, because it could mean the screen was replaced or repaired improperly. Always perform this simple check before making your final decision. Now, mistake number 3 is not testing Face ID before buying a UK used phone. Many buyers assume Face ID is working because the phone looks fine, but that's a mistake you should never make before buying. A faulty Face ID system can be expensive and difficult to repair. So before paying, open Setting, then Face ID and passcode. Set up Face ID using your own face and test it. Lock and unlock the screen several times to confirm it works. If Face ID fails or responds inconsistently, then ask the seller why. Don't ignore this problem because the price looks attractive. A few minutes of testing can save you expensive repairs later. Now, mistake number 4, not knowing whether the screen is original or replaced. Many replacement screens look good enough to fool many buyers, but after using the phone, the difference becomes more noticeable. You may experience lower brightness, duller color, or poor touch response. And that's why checking parts and service history and True Tone is important. Those two checks can reveal problems many buyers completely overlook. If you are paying a premium money today, make sure you are getting a premium screen. Never assume a clean looking display means screen is original. Now, mistake number 5, ignoring battery health before making your final decision. Battery health tells you how much capacity the battery still has. A battery with low health won't last as long each day. Open Setting, tap Battery, then check battery health. Many buyers look for at least 85% maximum capacity. If the battery health is much more lower, then negotiate for a better price. Now, mistake number 6, not checking whether the phone is iCloud locked. This is one of the mistakes that can make your purchase almost worthless. Before paying, confirm previous owner Apple account is removed. The phone should allow you to sign in with your own account. If activation lock appears, don't continue with the purchase. No matter how cheap the phone looks, simply walk away. Now, mistake number 7, buying a phone simply because the price looks cheap. A very low price sometimes hides expensive problems you can see. Now, the phone may have replaced screen parts, battery issues, or Face ID faults. Always inspect the phone carefully before handing over your money. Take your time to test every important features before buying. A genuine bargain should pass every check we've discussed today. So before you buy a UK used iPhone, always inspect the phone carefully before making your final payment. And remember, don't let cheap price convince you so quickly, because a phone that costs a little more may actually save you a lot of money in the future. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Subscribing costs you nothing, but it means a lot to the channel. And in that way, you never miss my latest phone price updates, buying guides, and honest smartphone review. And I would also like to hear from you. Which of these mistakes surprised you the most? Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.